So we're there in the evening with the TSX again. So anytime I cold start, I hear the pump. I make one noise. Make I put a clip of that drop in. Here return. Alright, start. So yeah, that sucking noise there are ear draw. And usually when ear draw, you realize that this bubble up as it did go on in the video before. Anyway, so me contact sources and I was told that it's the O-rings on here and on here, and I was also advised to change the clamps. Mega see how best we can get rid of the noise, and the thing is I won't be able to tell if the noise is gone until tomorrow when the engine cools. But I will definitely be changing these rings now, the one here and the one here, and they are right here. I don't know what go where, but I gotta find it out now. Alright, so things what you're gonna need to screw off this and screw off that, and based on research them say you need is a 10 millimeter, and me have both the spanner, I think a spanner them call this, and the socket. So I already break this, so all you do is screw it off. But one thing I never do was prepare for the bag of oil. So what I'm gonna do, and right, this is the worst place for oil drop on the alternator. So what I'm gonna put piece of cloth there. Alright, so we're there at Jamie in our building. So we just take off the old ring. This is the old one, and this I'm gonna put on here now. So I guess this big one go up here, so because I try fit this upon this and it did too big. So I put on the small ring here now. You can see the oil in the power steering pump itself. So we just slide on the ring there and see that it fit just right. So all I got there now, drop in back this right there, so but I gonna need my two and them so far. So, alright, so we just pull off the high pressure hose and we catch whatever leak off with this, and we'll pull off the old ring already, which are this here. So the new ring I'll put on here now, which are this. Hold this up for me, Jamie. And I'll point him right there, so. Alright, so I fling on the new ring here now. Point it for me, man. Yeah, man. Slide him over, so. Boom. Alright, so the new ring just drop in. Yeah. So all I gotta do now is fit up back this and screw it on back. So like a real chang man.
Yeah, guy, you're a chang man.
Pop off it up at the screw. So everything changed still, but I forgot to start out this the next day at the machine shop. So now I'm going to change the clamp them. I don't take off this, which this are the old one. So this I go this so. This I go this so, and I done change this already. So far I'm change all of them. Alright, so test drive time. So I just changed that clamp here, that clamp there, and that clamp here, and see the three old one them here. In addition to, well, this I forgot to start out our machine shop. The top of the bolt broke off in here, so I just for test drive now, and a morning or when the engine cool, I start again and see if I hear the noise again. Alright, so I just did a test drive and everything connect fine. I'm not seeing a leak nowhere. I'm gonna hear the noise. So that was tight, that was clamp. So them two was the clamp and this clamp. I'm not seeing a leak. There's a bit of sweat, but that was there from before. Up here, so especially I don't see any leaking, but I'm gonna go and watch it. Alright, it is indeed the next day. And we're gonna find out if this thing will work. So we'll confirm. No leaks, and there is none. Still need to sort this out. The hose them still look like them are sweat. No, not really. No, that wasn't really a sweat. It looked like that's that. Alright. So I'm gonna start this up now. Alright, so I start up and the noise is gone. Now I hear something but it don't sound as terrible as the noise that we did hear before. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the steering wheel and see if I hear nothing. Nothing. I'm gonna turn the steering wheel from here. Come on them long. And no noise. So it was a success, and to get rid of the noise there, it looked like I really had to change the clamps and the O-ring. Alright, and off we go.
I want to thank you guys for watching. 2 videos there up now, you can pre. Just check them out, like, share and subscribe. You see it?